Okay, let's go to the database. You can use the database to store any type of data for your app. We provide a table view, which gives you a bird's eye view of your data, so you can filter and sort records for fast record retrieval. There is also an editor view, which can be used when you want to focus on a particular record, like on blog posts on products. The editor view is also available when you create new records. Apart from blog posts, you can use the database for many different things, like storing products for your e-commerce, or saving form submissions for user-generated data. To create new tables, click on New Table on the Database module. You can choose to set the rules as public or private. Now, if you need to export data, you can do so here, and you can use CSV or JSON formats. You can also import data on CSV or JSON formats, and you can download the example files to ensure that your import data is correctly formatted. You can customize the structure of each table however you want. We provide flexible field types like image, rich text, and address. We also offer database security settings so you can better control who can read and write your data. And finally, you can also edit each field directly from the table view for fast editing.